Welcome to the vlog. We're going to Walmart.
We're going to Walmart again, once again, and we're gonna find Jonah. We're gonna go look at cameras for Jonah, because Jonah's about to get into that vlog life, you know it. So, yeah, we're gonna, we will start vlogging at Walmart, but till then, we got a montage. Go for it. How'd you guys like that 20-second montage of us literally going to Walmart? We're at Wally World right now. Jonah is trying to find a camera for himself. We're just looking at cameras because Jonah wants to get into that vlogging world. We checking out cameras for him, and then I'm gonna go get a new SD card. Yeah!
This has good quality.
This has good quality?
For cheap price.
$8,900, Jonah. It's too much.
No, it's not.
Bruh. He's selling at the local Walmart for $12.88, guys. I don't know him. Jonah, I found the perfect backpack for you, bro. Right here. Okay, what the heck is I love swig?
Look at my size. I mean, like, that's a perfect fit right there.
Bro, you good, bro? Jonah, what are you doing, bro? Don't, bro. Don't do it. Jonah, don't. Oh my God! It's hot! Alright, we just went to Walmart, and we went in to look for cameras for Jonah. We literally ended up buying freaking rose gold. I don't even know what these are called. What are these? Woman's slippers. Oh heck! Woman's slippers. Oh heck! No, I'm wearing a boy. I'm a boy. Why do you have to have scissors to cut these? Oh yeah! Rip the old shoes. I'm just gonna call these Gucci slippers, even though they're not.
Gucci. Woo!
Oh yeah, that's as good as it gets right there. Comes to you. Comes to you. Okay, guys, I have been a believer since day one, and I'm not ashamed. Hashtag believer for life. Believer. Just got back from Walmart. Jonah found a camera he liked. And while we were there, of course, you know, I had to get something. I got some nice soft slippers. These are women's slippers? The heck? You know, I had to get my Tic Tac. Now I gotta pick these up. Oh. And I had to get, oh yeah, the air horn. Yeah. So basically, Jonah, before we left to go to Walmart, Jonah said that he wanted to do a prank war because he's seen videos and stuff on YouTube and stuff of famous people doing prank wars, right? And so, the good brother I am, I have to start one. He usually goes to sleep around like 10 o'clock, and I'm gonna go up there while he's sleeping and blow the crap out of his head. That is slang for I'm gonna use an air horn. I'm gonna go up there. Who the heck? And so I'm gonna go in there at like 10:30ish, 11, and air horn it up. Just took it out. Oh yeah, you know it's gonna be lit. What the heck? The heck? Apparently you gotta do some of this stuff. Shake before use. Okay, for outdoor use only. Good thing I'm right by the door. Oh my. That was nothing! That was like 10 times louder than I thought it would be. $2 right here. This is gonna be funny. Right here, 11 o'clock. So loud, man. You guys wanna hear my ringtone? I'll just wait until someone texts me. Oh, here we go. Yeah, we got Joshua right here. I'm on my GoPro filming because I left the other camera in the house. Yeah. And we gonna go up to the pool and we'll have a montage for you. We'll have a little collage. I'm gonna get back, I'll check in with you guys at the house. I'll pull the prank. And then that will conclude our vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna jump and land in the pool. Here we go. We are at the pool, and so yeah, roll the montage. What the heck is this? Bruh! Barbara the Barbie dog gonna go swimming. So we got our own montage of us having a fun time at the pool. Barbara the Barbie's gotta have her own montage too. I forgot to do the air horn. So yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow in at 6:30. I'm gonna set an alarm real quick, wake up then, and do the air horn, baby. So yeah, I will see you then, and then right after that, I'll just end the vlog. So, and Jonah, this is the start of a prank war, baby. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, stay real, stay lit, stay fire. Fire clan out, baby. My alarm went off. My alarm just went off for 5:30. As you can see, I can't really. But it is it's sorta it's the sun is starting to rise. I'm gonna head up. I'm gonna scare him, and then yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna put the camera on a tripod so you guys can watch from afar. Ouch. Oh my gosh. So this just happened. Oh my gosh. So like the cold stuff, like you can see right there, it's sort of frosted over. When I was blowing it, spewed out onto my fingers. And my fingers, what? I'm sorry, it was just a prank. That's crazy. This is so cold. Jonah, how'd you like that, bro? Jonah, how'd you like that? Okay, I will, bro. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, so I'm back in my room. That went kind of crazy. Halfway through, my hands got cold, and like I got like frostbite, and now my hands all purple and like red. Oh my goodness gracious. The air horn got real cold and everything, so, and it started like fogging. And so I started freaking out, like if you can see in the video, I started like freaking out, like pushing it and looking at it weird. Alright, thank you for watching. Peace.